Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to enable or disable software virtualization in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Open the Start menu and type, Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click on, Turn Windows Features On or Off, to launch the Windows Features tool. Look for the following options: Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform. Check or uncheck these options based on your preference. Then click OK. Windows will add any necessary dependencies and prompt you to reboot the system. Hyper-V installation or uninstallation. From the Windows Features tool, look for Hyper-V. Check or uncheck the option based on your preference. Make sure you select or deselect both Hyper-V management tools and Hyper-V platform options. Click OK and follow any on-screen prompts. Reboot your system if necessary. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to share more with you. So, until next time, see you later.